Welcome to Tech Speech. In this video I'm gonna show you how to remove the pattern lock from Samsung M31 mobile using shortkeys. First you need to restart your device pressing power button 10 to 15 seconds. Normally you can't power off your device because the pattern is locked. After switch off your device, press the volume up key and power key a few seconds together. You can get these options: wipe data recovery and all other options. Press the volume down key and select the factory wipe data factory reset option. Then select the factory data reset and press power key. Again select the reboot and select the power key. Then you need to wait for 2 to 3 minutes to reboot. Now your device is ready to set up at the beginning. If you have any questions about this video, comment me. Definitely I can reply you within a day. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching, friends.